This is the baby seat shot. Did we lose the bags? That's the candy!
Oh my god, the back door opens, he's fucked.
You won't even touch your dad! It's not my fault! No, stop! Oh shit! Is he alive?
Yeah, he's good.
He's alive!
Don't fucking Bill.
What? Are you alive? He's not alive! Oh no, it's not.
He's gonna drip
Don't
from.
do that again, guys! It's next turn. Don't do anything too stupid around here. Oh fuck. Shit!
He almost fell! Oh my god, dude!
You're gonna die! Oh shit!
Just like slam on the brakes. Bring it up!
Okay, it's also... No. I dropped the light. Turn off that.
Alright.
That was the coldest ride of my life.
Did we lose the candy?
Any last words?
Oh, yeah.
Any last words, Jayden?
Fuck that.